Aspenn checking in. Mom did something crazy today. She trusted me with free roam of the house. Apparently she had things to do inside. So she handed me the greatest treasure known to dog kind. A cow ear. Oh, my dog. It is amazing. 10/10 would recommend. Then Dad walks in the house wondering what us dogs are up to. Mom tells him, I can't keep my eyes off my best friend and little big brother. Now, am I teasing my brother Pico with my delicious cow ear? Maybe just a little. I mean, can you blame me? It's so good. But let's be honest, I really can't take my eyes off Pico, especially when Dad is around, because in my mind, Dad belongs to me. Sorry, Pico. There's only enough Dad for one dog, or so I thought. Today, I decided to be the bigger dog literally and share Dad, even though I was just a tiny bit jealous. Pico played the I'm gonna stay away from Dad game for a few minutes, but eventually he couldn't resist the cuddles either. Meanwhile, I'm living my absolute best life with my cow ear. Mom says I'm being such a good girl because usually, the second I come inside, Zoomies activated, furniture, in danger, decorations, better hold on, Dad, instantly questioning all his life choices. So Mom was extra smart today and gave me a tasty distraction, which probably saved the house, Dad's sanity, and a few innocent decorations. I'd call that a win. Love, Aspen.
Oh, yes. I smell like dog.